See, it's not about the number of slides you present. It's not about anything. It's completely about how much you have understood the topic. It is about how deep you can converse well with everyone. It's about how well you can, explain the topic. Not only the science, this topic, any topic. So, Soumya, it's completely fine if you have only 4 slides. 1 slide is also fine. But I am expecting you to have an understanding, complete understanding of the topic. This seminar is conducted only for that, because we have conducted a lot of tests, objective and subjective tests. I still feel many of them are not clear with the concepts. They are not clear with what is multicellular, what is the difference between eukaryote and multicellular. Still many are, they are not clear about what is unicellular. They are getting confused between prokaryote and eukaryote. So I want to completely eradicate all these confusions. That is the main motto of this seminar. Yes. I don't know. Population is very less. Let's wait for another 2-3 minutes, and then we can start. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Chanvik.
Ma'am, like I can't on my video.
Okay, that's not a problem. Are you ready for the seminar? Yes. Fine.
Actually, no. Ma'am, can I do it on Monday?
Yeah, actually, I don't know how many people can complete it today. Let us start with Adrit. Adrit has not joined. Yes, Adrit is there. We will start with Adrit, okay? Because Adrit is the first guy. I gave the topic, so it should be in order. So let's start with Adrit. We will see. Obviously, Charvik you will not get for today. I think so. So today Adrit and Aishwarya may complete. Maximum only 2 people can complete, as Aishwarya is absent or she may join late. Aishwarya, Ashwant will take. After Adrit, followed by Adrit, Ashwant. Yes?
Ma'am, actually my
Ma'am, I just
PPT
have a
is
small doubt.
small.
Wait. One at a time. Yes, Adrit?
Ma'am, actually my PPT is small actually.
That is what I was telling all this time. It's not about you have 20 slides, or it's not about when you have 2 slides. The thing is all about how much you have understood the concept. The seminar, the motive of the seminar is not like you should have some 20 to 100 PPTs and present in front of me. No, I know that you're all very smart kids. You can do the PPT work very nice and very good. But the motive is not to prepare some random PPT and read. The motive is to explain the topic. The motive is to make you understand very well what the topic is. Yes. Understood? Everyone? It should not be like you just coming here and presenting the PPT and reading the PPT. I should not see anyone reading the PPT simply. Right? PPT should be the reference for audience, not for you. Yes, Adrit.
Ma'am, can I read the one line and one sentence and explain the sentence?
Yes, that is okay. That is allowed. Yes.
Ma'am, it's like I'm explaining the PPT lines. Is it okay?
Yeah. You should explain the PPT, but you should not be like reading the PPT completely. It should not be like that. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood? Hi, Aishwarya. As Aishwarya has joined, after Adrit will be followed by Aishwarya. Yes?
Ma'am.
Yes? Yes, Charvik. Yes.
Yeah, ma'am, actually I have 2 things. Ma'am, one is a doubt and other one is a request. Ma'am, first I'll go with the request. I'm like, as you know, I'm in my hometown. So like, I need to make a PPT, right? So like, I started the PPT work in my PC, but like my PC is in Hyderabad and I'm in Andhra. So like, can I present it on May 3rd?
No problem. You can do with Siddhant. Siddhant is also pending.
Yeah.
So you can do with him. Okay?
Ma'am, and I have a doubt.
Yeah.
Yeah. So morning I was going. I'm like morning I was go through like with the recordings. So
Yeah.
at that time I was in the Saprotrops recording. So I got a doubt that like dead decaying matter organisms depend on dead decaying matter are like saprotrops.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
like yeah, especially in humans, like non-vegetarians also depend on dead decaying matter, right? Like chicken, mutton, or fish.
Yeah.
So why aren't we saprotrops in that
No,
case?
we are not.
One,
Yes, we are not depend on decaying matters. We are not depend on dead matters as well. We are making them dead and then we are eating them.
yeah,
So we
but
are
that
not.
also counted as dead decaying matter.
No, not decaying, not decaying. So human beings are not dependent on decaying matter. Decaying matter is something like, it is not edible for human to eat. We don't consume the, expired food. We don't consume something. It is, this for example, you take some food is expired. Some roti is expired. You
Ma'am,
can't
but
eat anymore.
DK, one more meaning is there, ma'am, DK. Ma'am, like
Yeah.
something going under the soil.
Decaying is
Rotten,
something.
rotten.
Rotten and decaying is something you can tell like that also. Decaying something, you can use the decayed matter for manure, for plant manure. You can use dead and decayed matter for plant manure. You can use them for making gobar gas, right? So if you start talking about decaying matter, it's a big chapter. So human beings are not basically depend on decaying matter. So we are not saprophytes.
Yeah,
Saprophytes
okay.
are something they depend on dead plus decaying as well. So that's why they come as sapro. But human beings are, we can say we are carnivorous. They're carnivorous. They kill and eat. You're not
Yeah, okay.
dependent on them also. Without animals also we can survive, right? Without eating them also we can survive. But saprophytes are something they cannot survive. For their survival, they need dead and decaying. But human beings are not like that. We are dependent on plants also, right? So with
Yes,
plants, we can survive. If we don't want to kill something and eat, then only we'll be getting satisfied. Nothing like that. Yes,
yes,
we are coming under carnivorous, but we are not fights. And moreover, fights means plants, right? Fights
yes,
itself plants. So we are not saprophytes. We are not plants. Yes.
yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
So I think 10, totally 9 participants today. Shall we start, everyone? We'll start with Adrit. Yes, clap hands for Adrit. Cheer up, everyone.
Ma'am, share screen button. Ma'am,
Yes,
it's
I'll make you host. Wait, make host. Yes, I made you host.
You can keep an option like multi share.
Okay, that is available. Okay, I'll keep for next one. Okay. Yes. Start, Adrit. Start with the introduction. I think you are very well about PD class, right? How did I teach you to introduce yourself? Everything, right? Start like that. Yes, you're muted. Yes.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Adrit, and today I'm going to explain about more of nutrition. First of all, ma'am, wait a minute. Can I do it slideshow?
Yes. Your wish. Your wish.
Yeah, first of all, we'll talk about what is modes of nutrition. The nutrition taken by the organisms, and it and it and the nutrition gives our body to grow, to get energy, to carry out physical activities and protect against diseases. The nutrition present in our foods are carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals. Now, what are the kinds of organisms in modes of nutrition? There are two kinds of organisms in modes of nutrition. First of all, it's autotrophic organisms, and secondly, it's heterotrophic organisms. Now, autotrophic animals. What are autotrophic organisms? Autotrophic organisms are the organisms who uh, who who depend on their cells by making food to get the nutrients by themselves, and examples are plants and bacteria. Now we'll know about what is heterotrophic organisms. Heterotrophic organisms depend on plants to depends on plants for food, to get the nutrients, as they cannot make the materials by which they use in cooking, so they are obtained by the plants such as wheat, maize, barley, etc. Examples for heterotrophic organisms are cow, goat, and sheep. Thank you.
Ma'am, you're on mute.
Yes, yes. Very good, Adrit. So please ask anyone doubt to Adrit. He will clarify. Any doubts?
Ma'am, no doubts.
Yes, no doubts?
Yeah.
No doubts? You can ask some doubts. It's fine. I want you to ask some doubt. Whether we will test whether Adrit really learned something or not.
I'm like, I think it's a clear experience.
Yeah, it's a clear explanation. No doubt about that. Yes. Anyone else? Mohammed, you're a new student, right? They all have already listened to the topic. So, but you are new student. So you will be having some doubt.
Late.
Okay, but you will be having some doubt, right, on his lecture. Ask some doubt.
Okay.
Yes, come on. Mohammed will ask some doubt. Yes.
I don't know what to ask him.
Oh my God. To ask doubt also, I need to teach. Shall we start a new class? How to ask doubts? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
In our ma'am, in the PD class only we learned that.
Okay. All are very excited to present. Yes, Aishwarya, come on. Clap and ask for Aishwarya. Come on. Yes? No virtual claps? Yes. Yes, Aishwarya, come on. All the very best. Start.
Ma'am, you have to let me share.
Yeah. Yes. I have to first reclaim my host from Adrit. Adrit, make me host.
Ma'am, actually don't know how to make host.
Hey, don't do like this, Radhe. Make me host.
And we should go to participants and click on your name. So then we
Okay.
get option to like make host.
Go and make me host, or else we can't do anything. Yeah, thank you. So now I'll make allow multiple.
You can tell how allow a co-host.
Okay, I will make you co-host. Okay. Then co-host can also present the screen, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Aishwarya, I made you co-host. Everyone, I'll make everyone as co-host. Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
are you like following the order how you gave the names or like random?
Yes, I'm following the order. Why? Because by order only you can, understand. This is especially made for Mohammed also, because he's a new student. He need to have some continuity, right? So that's why I'm making with order. Yes. Yes. Very good. Yes.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Aishwarya Dasri, and I'm going to explain about photosynthesis. So photosynthesis is the process by which plants make their own food by using simple substances like water, carbon dioxide in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll is called photosynthesis. So we give them carbon dioxide so the plants can prepare their food, and carbon dioxide is necessary for plants. And plants give us in return oxygen, which helps us to breathe. And photo equals sunlight, and synthesis equals to prepare. And the formula for photosynthesis is carbon dioxide plus water plus glucose plus oxygen. So now we're going to discuss about materials required for and minerals. So the root of the plant absorbs water and minerals through the root hair. Plants have tissues so that, like xylem, so that water and minerals from the roots to the leaves move from the roots to the leaves to branches and stems. Carbon dioxide. It is taken from the air by the plants so plants can prepare their food. Sunlight. The solar is converted into chemical energy. So they convert the solar energy to chemical. So in this planet, all food is made by solar energy. So, and sun is the ultimate source of the energy. The sunlight is used to synthesize food to form carbon dioxide and water. Leaves are the food factory because the synthesis of the plant takes part in the leaf. That's why it's called the leaves. That's why leaves are the food factory of the plant. Water and minerals are absorbed by the roots and stems, which are transported to the leaf. Okay, so carbon dioxide is taken from air to tiny pores called stomata, and they have on the leaves they have some dots called vacuole, and they're found on the lower surface. They are surrounded by guard cells, and guard cells help in the opening and closing of the stomata. Oxygen is released from the leaf as a waste product of photosynthesis. Chlorophyll. The green pigment in the leaf is called chlorophyll, and they help to absorb sunlight. If they can't absorb sunlight, plants can't prepare their food, and they're also present in chloroplast. Chlorophyll is also present in non-green plants, and if there's no chlorophyll in non-green plants, also use other pigments like xanthophyll and carotenoids. Plants consume artificial lights like tube light because sunlight and artificial light like tube light don't have same radiations. Algae. So algae is a simple plant-like organisms. They are aquatic plants without proper roots, stems, and leaves because they can dissolve carbon dioxide dissolved in water along water through their bodies, and they can also prepare photosynthesis. But they can prepare food by photosynthesis, and it contains chlorophyll. Importance of photosynthesis. So photosynthesis is the most important biological process on which plants depend on food, on which organisms depend on food. This process helps to maintain carbon dioxide and oxygen in the atmosphere, and we also need photosynthesis, because we need oxygen for breathing. And thank you.
Very good, Aishwarya. Clap your hands for Aishwarya. It was nice, Aishwarya. One thing, you have not opened your camera. Why?
Yes, sir.
Why? Are you traveling?
No, I was coming from my class. Basketball.
No
Basketball.
Okay, no problem. Clap your hands for Aishwarya. Very good, Aishwarya. Yes, I have a doubt, Aishwarya. Can you resolve that?
Yes, ma'am.
So, if there is no sun, you told that sunlight is a very important thing for photosynthesis, right? So, if there is no sun, what are what I can do? I need a food. I need a plant. If there is no sun, how can I conduct photosynthesis?
You can't conduct food because
Yes.
sun is the ultimate source of energy. You can't use artificial light because they're not the same radiations like tube light.
Yes. Okay. So if I not have sun, then ultimately
No, we can't prepare.
Very
Plants
good.
need sunlight to prepare food.
Very good. Very good. Super. So yes, Mohammed, do you have any doubts? Mohammed? Mohammed,
No, ma'am, no.
are you there? No doubts?
Yes.
Okay.
Some noise is not coming clear. That's it.
Okay. So are you getting every concept? This is also done for you, your sake. Yes?
Yes.
Are you getting the concepts?
Yes, a little bit.
Little bit. Okay. Anyway. Next one, Ashwant. Yes. Yes, Ashwant. See how he is laughing. He's very, very active. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, come on. Ashwant, start. After Ashwant, it will be Sri Tej. Yes. Clap your hands for Ashwant, everyone. And what happened to Soumya? Open the camera, dear Soumya. Open the camera, Gelda. Open the camera. Yes, very good. Except Charvik, everyone should. Hey, Ashwant, open your camera. What? When you guys take seminar, you won't show your faces to me. Huh? Open the camera, Ashwant. Hey, Ashwant, open the camera. Ashwant has prepared something really big. Some effects he is giving.
अलग-अलग खेल लो जो
Suspense.
free roam में
Ma'am,
खेलो.
1 minute.
Okay. Mohammed, open the camera.
Good morning. My name is Ashwat. I am from class 7 Chanakya tutorial. Today, I am going to conduct a seminar on cell. First, we will learn about the cell. The bodies of living organisms are made of tiny units called cells. Cells can be seen only under the microscope. Some organisms are made of only one cell. The cell is enclosed by a thin outer boundary called the cell membrane. Most cells have a distinct centrally located spherical structure called the nucleus. The nucleus is surrounded by a jelly-like substance called cytoplasm. Cells with only one cell are known as unicellular organisms. Cells with many cells are known as multicellular organisms. Prokaryotes. A prokaryote is a single cell organism whose cell lacks a nucleus and other membrane-bound organism lacks cells, nucleus, and other cellular organelles. Example: bacteria, E. coli, cyanobacteria, etc. Eukaryotes. The eukaryotes consist the domain eukaryote organisms whose cells have a membrane-bound nucleus. Organisms have nucleus and other membrane-bound organelles. Example: mitochondria, chloroplast, nucleus, vacuolus. Amoeba comes under single cellular organism, but they are thank you.
Clap your hands.
Ma'am, is
Yes.
virus a eukaryote or a prokaryote?
What?
Virus is a eukaryote or a prokaryote?
Ask Mr. Ashwant. He is the teacher of today for prokaryote. Ask him. Yes, ask Ashwant. Come on, answer. Yes, Ashwant, his virus, coronavirus, you can tell, is coronavirus eukaryote or prokaryote? Yes, Ashwant, somebody is asking doubt, you should clear it. It's your duty. Yes.
Ma'am, I also don't know.
Simple. Listen, children, if I'm asking you something, like if some organism is multicellular or unicellular, very simple answer you can say. First I'm saying about cellulars, multi or uni. So if you can see something in your naked eye, for sure it will be multicellular. Yes. If you can see something in your naked eye, for sure it is going to be your multicellular. For example, can you see coronavirus? Then that is unicellular. Because it is having only one cell. One cell is not seen by your naked eye. If you have some 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 7 to 8 cells, then group of cells you can see. Are human beings multicellular or unicellular?
Multicellular.
Sleepy, class is sleepy, yeah?
No, ma'am.
Yes. We are multicellular. We are having lot of cells. That's why you can see me, I can see, right? Yes. Is this notebook multicellular or unicellular?
Multicellular.
This is multicellular, huh?
Ma'am,
This is
it will have
a
no
non-living
cells, it is not
being.
living.
Yes.
Yes. It is not
Yes.
a living being. It is not made up of
Ma'am, I
cells.
said
It is made up of.
I said it's non-living thing.
Yes. So they don't have cells. Okay. If I talk to notebook, they won't respond because they are non-living being. Yes. So when it comes to prokaryote or eukaryote, then you cannot say directly they are pro or you. But when it comes to virus, when it comes to Muhammad's doubt, yes. So viruses are eukaryotes. They have well-defined nucleus. They have well-defined structure. Yes. Okay. So next, yes, Sritej. Clap hands for Sritej. Come on, Sritej. Yes.
Ma'am, can you see my screen?
Yes, I can.
Hello everyone, my name is Sridhar and I'm about to take a seminar on insectivorous plants. So first of all, what are insectivorous plants? Insectivorous plants are known as carnivorous plants which get their nutrients from trapping insects. They can be found in coastal plains and areas which are like deficient of nitrogen. So these are some examples of insectivorous plants. So on the middle, Drosera capsis is a evolution of the sundew. It is actually a type of sundew which curls the insect and it has digestive glands like on its hair, like here, on like it's like drops there. And the Venus flytrap and the pitcher plant. So we need to know how the insects get captured. Both the Venus flytrap and the pitcher plants have digestive juices which are inside the plant that help absorb nutrients from trapped insects. First, the insect comes to the plant and gets stuck on its digestive gland of a pitcher tube or the trigger hair of a Venus flytrap. And you might be wondering how they sense it. So they have a paratonic movement. It's lid. For a Venus flytrap, it's teeth, and for a pitcher plant, it's lid, the upper kilo. So they need an external stimuli. Stimuli means response of the outer environment. So you could see here the bee is like touching the trigger hair of the and touching the glands of the Venus flytrap, and since it is a stimuli, a response from the environment, the Venus flytrap traps it. It can sense it and trap it. So these are the parts of the insectivorous plants, some of them. So here there is the teeth of the Venus flytrap, trigger head, and its glands. And in the pitcher plant, the operculum, mouth, metastome, and pitcher tube. So now let us know some facts about insectivorous plants. So the insectivorous plant, Venus flytrap, they were believed to be species that were aliens because they usually used to grow when meteorites used to crash. So meteorites are meteors which come from Earth and safely by crossing its atmosphere and hits the ground. If there's some meteors which burn through the atmosphere and they just burn out through air. They are not called meteorites. Meteorites are the meteoroids which hit the ground safely, without burning up. So, scientists think that these Venus flytraps are alien species because they think that they have been brought to Earth by meteors. So, Venus flytraps are the most famous carnivorous plant. They are cataloged as carnivorous plants because they eat meat and they mostly eat insects. They have been around a lot of time, about 100 million years, and they have been one of the most amazing plants with their on Earth because they have jaw closing abilities and they eat meat. They are one of the only carnivorous plants who can do that. They have jaw closing capabilities. Well, they grow in areas which have nitrogen deficient soil. All insectivorous plants grow. All insectivorous plants have a smell which attracts insects. They also have leaves which have nectar, which attracts the insects. So larger species of pitcher plants, which are known as pitcher plants, are also known as nepenthes. Well, the type of pitcher plant which can eat big organisms, just like rats and lizards, are called the nepenthes attenboroughi. So actually these pitchers are very big, and they're also these are a type of pitcher plant which can eat lizards and even rats. Done, ma'am.
Very good. Clap your hands for Sritej. Any doubts? Mohammed?
No, ma'am, he explained clearly.
Okay, anyone else have any doubts? Soumya, Gelda, Adrit?
No, ma'am.
No doubts?
Ma'am, why can't they live in nitrogen areas? Why only they could live in nitrogen less areas?
Can you go and live in Mars?
No, ma'am.
Why can't you live? You can go and live now. You can just once try living in Mars. It's nature, right? It's nature. Human beings need oxygen. That's why we live in Earth. Venus flytrap, wherever the nitrogen is not there, they live there and adapt themselves for the situation and for the environment. So it's an astonishing thing that some plant shows movement. Basically, plant doesn't show movement, but this plant showing some movement. They adapt themselves for the situation. You have to appreciate it. Rather than appreciating, you should not say go and go and grow in the nutrition area. So you should not mock them. Yes. Okay, so let's stop here. Next it should be Gilda. I think am I correct, Gilda?
Yes.
But
Yes, ma'am.
actually,
I'm ready.
yes,
My
you're
PPT.
ready. You're ready.
Yeah.
But you started the screen share also? No, no, no,
No,
no.
I'll screen share now.
Actually, I need to take a topic. I need to teach a topic because for your objective examination coming Sunday, I need to teach you
Ma'am,
what.
I missed so many
Yes?
classes, so can you send the recordings? It shows not NA for me.
Hamza,
Yes, ma'am.
something
Ma'am,
else
who
is
is this
talking.
emoji?
What?
Why that emoji is coming?
Which emoji?
Oh,
That's a effect.
Hamza, emoji means your background. The
Open your
character you are
camera.
using.
Open your camera.
Hamza is the police guard.
Open your camera, Hamza.
Ma'am, it shows for me. Most of the recordings are not available.
Actually, that is a problem. Yeah, but people are updating daily in YouTube. I heard
What?
they are uploading in YouTube daily. Whatever the classes we are having.
Yeah, ma'am.
Go and see YouTube's if you can't see the recordings. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Gilda, please
What is
hold
the
on for the
channel
next
name?
class. Channel name?
Yes,
Channel
ma'am.
name is Sun TV.
Sun TV.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Go
ma'am.
and search. Z Tamil, Z TV, Polymer. You can search. You will get.
Ma'am,
Channel
what?
name you're asking? You're from Chanakya and you will ask me channel name? Okay. So I will start share the screen and I have to give a quick recap on your examinations. And one more thing, I completely forgot. Mohammed asked me, virus comes under prokaryotic or eukaryotic. Virus doesn't come under anything because I forgot one important thing when you were teaching me only I got to know that virus doesn't come under cellular thing. First of all, virus doesn't have cell itself. They are not multicellular, they are not unicellular. They are not prokaryotic, they are not eukaryotic. So, they are an organism, but they don't have cell. How is that possible? How is that possible? Please, everyone listen to this. It's very important. Virus neither comes under multicellular nor comes under unicellular. They are not a prokaryotic. They are not a eukaryotic. So how? Actually, I'll for that I need to explain you an entire process. I will explain, no problem. What really happens. So this is a virus. Okay, this is a coronavirus. Okay, so this is a human being. Just simply think this is a human being. I hope my screen is visible. This is a virus. Virus have some protein structures. For now, I will say it is a protein structures because this is not your level. As you have asked the doubt, I need to clarify it. But